Welcome back to Traveling Novice. Today my husband asked me for a haircut and I said of course. We are in the Novice Nature Salon. Today, Novice in my nature salon takes on my husband's head.
Wish me luck, she's coming with the instruments of doom.
Well, hello sir, welcome to my barber shop.
My lord. Jesus.
How do you... Welcome, sir. Tell me a little bit about yourself, sir.
Are we really talking?
I don't know. First thing I think we should do, I've combed it, obvious, number one. And I think what we should do is get off all the, length and really hone in on what we're going to focus on. So first I'm going to go with the biggest, number 8.
How's it going?
It's going good. How's it going for you, sir?
Alright.
Ooh, look at this big chunk of hair, guys. Boom! Welcome to Novice. Ooh. Ooh. Novice Nature Salon. Welcome to Novice Nature Salon.
So you want to tell them your inspiration for doing this?
You tell them.
The reason why we're doing this is because Taylor was a big fan of Jenna Marbles. R.I.P.
No, she didn't die.
I know, but
hold on,
no
guys.
posts.
I absolutely loved Jenna Marbles' Ratchet Salon. If you know, you know. If you don't, look it up because she is an icon.
How does it look? Speaking
Great.
of
It looks
ratchet.
great. This isn't about you right now, okay? Men, right? But Jenna Marbles, miss you but respect your space and your privacy. You know what? This is for her. She would be proud of this. Welcome to my Nature Novice Ratchet Salon. You have anything to add?
Nope. Do I have to tip?
Absolutely. The birds are going to have beautiful material to help with their nest, so for the birds.
For the birds.
How confident are you feeling in my abilities?
Out of...
Just talk to me. Give it to me, buddy. Give it to me straight. I'm a professional salon owner.
5.
5 out of what?
6.
Okay, that's pretty good. Why didn't I get the full 6?
Because I'm blind and I haven't seen it.
You're right. Wait till I'm done, guys. Do you have like a cowlick, sir?
Maybe.
This must cowlicked you right here, man. It's crazy. All right. We ready to take it downtown. Yeah. We're going to just inch it down, okay? So for the next bit...
I'm not angry, guys. I'm just blind.
I don't think 7, but let's do a good old 6, sir. Everything to be in the nature. Put down in the comments what you think I should try next. My abilities go way beyond RV lifing and winging it that way, or kayaking. Obviously, I'm a multi-dimensional faceted woman. So I'm gonna make a line around his head with the number 6. And I'm getting all the bottom roughly because that's ultimately gonna be smaller because I'm gonna attempt like a fadey thing.
Do you want to do a fade?
I'm doing it.
Can you do it?
Yeah, I can. I need to find where I want to do the 6 over here. And I think I'm just gonna start right there. Take it up and out. Up and out. Up and out. A little too much up there and out. Gotta make it even though. All right, guys, we did a 6.
That was my front.
It's good.
Really?
Probably shorter than you wanted. I like it, and I'm gonna make it shorter here so it's gonna grow out. Like, this is a hard cut, you know, like this is gonna grow out beautiful. You got all that dead off, so your healthy hair growth. All right, we're gonna downsize. Next up is a 4. So this one, I'm just gonna work on half of the head. I'm gonna do like about an inch, half inch
She's nervous for me too.
from where I just previously did, just like the next inch down. I have to get his ear though real good. Yeah. And then I'll go once more shorter and do a little bit of that. It's like a half inch from where we just worked, because we're kind of trying to blend in this little bit here, because that's going to be the top growth. He's going to be able to sway over, comb back, fix in the morning once he wakes up. We're ready to downsize even more. From a 4, should we go to 3 or 2? Guys, I'm gonna go straight to a 2. This is looking fabulous. Ooh, yeah, buddy, buddy. We've done it, guys. I think we've successfully cut your hair. You want to go shower the hair off? Because it's very hairy.
How does it look though?
It looks good.
Honestly?
Yeah. Let's wrap up and we'll show you the final results. Now that we've got him all brushed down, I can really see my work here. I do have to do a little touch up, but nothing major. I just have a few little areas to touch up. It's really nice, I think. I do think I learned that not so short on the top, probably should have scissored cut it. I don't know if they make bigger guards. That would be pretty cool. See, this needs to come off. But for the most part, I think for the first time doing a human head, not too shabby. I'm gonna see if I can do this with a camera in one hand and scissors in the next. Yes, I can.
Babe, if you want, you can move the tripod over.
No, it's okay. I'm doing good. He does a little comb to the side action. Oop, I think we need to cut that little guy right there. You see him? He's sticking out like a sore thumb. Boom. Toss him down again. Comb, 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 comb. Got too short in the front, but what are you gonna do? They're not all gonna be winners. However, do you guys want to see a final 360 of my Novice Nature Salon? Now, let's see what he thinks.
So what'd you guys think? I think she did a pretty good job. She wants me to tell you guys if you guys want a video of me cutting her hair. Now, me being a guy, I know better not to do that. So, no, babe. But I think you did a really good job. I definitely do it again. But if you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe down below. Thanks.
You already messed it up. Or I think I did that. See you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for tuning into my Novice Natural Salon here out in nature. Was it nature? My setup. How we get her done.